going on, guys? This is Tech Bacons, and today I'm going to bring you guys a quick first impression of the newly released Honor 50. And guess what? The Honor 50 and future Honor phones will now support Google mobile services. So it means we will get Google Play out of the box. And special thanks to MMG Distribution for giving me this opportunity to test out the phone. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Firstly, the phone itself is shipped within a white box, and the box includes some manual bookers with SIM ejection tool, a silicone case which provides raise-up protection for your phone, a pair of Honor USB-C earphones, a fast charging Type-C cable, and a 66-watt charging brick which is advertised to charge your phone from 0 to 70 just around 20 minutes. I got the Frost Crystal version, which is a very refreshing look. And on hand, it has a great premium feeling and weighs just around 175 grams. A first look at the screen is really nice and punchy in colors. The screen features an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate with 300Hz touch sampling rate, and supporting up to 1 billion colors. Sunlight legibility is great, and viewing content on this screen is a joy. Speaker is loud and clear, and bass is present. But sadly, it is a single firing one, which is a bit of a bummer. Now to the spec department, this phone comes with two configurations and packs a Snapdragon 778G, which pairs with the Adreno 642L GPU under the hood. Although this is not a flagship SoC, but it still seriously packs a punch. On day-to-day usage, you are not going to notice any slowdowns. And paired with Magic UI 4.2, you are going to get a really smooth user experience. Now, gaming performance on this phone is no slouch either. Due to Honor's GPU turbo optimization, Mobile Legends, COD Mobile, and PUBG ran smoothly on this phone without any issues. Onto heavier titles like Genshin Impact with medium settings, you're also getting a smooth, enjoyable gaming experience. Overall, the Snapdragon 778 is well optimized, and you will get great gaming experience on this phone. Next, to the quad camera setup on this phone. This phone sports a 108 megapixel main camera. And when high-res mode is enabled, it can take very detailed and sharp photos. And as you guys can see, even when the photo is zoomed in, the photo still retains a lot of details. And here are some more photo samples shot on the Honor 50. Onto the front-facing camera, it sports a 32 megapixel wide-angle lens. And pairing it with the front camera, there's a multi-video recording feature which supports shooting video with two lenses simultaneously. So you can get all your footage in one shot.
So this is a quick first impression of the newly released Honor 50. For the price just starting at $1,699, I think you guys are getting quite a lot of value out of this phone. If you guys are interested in this phone, MMG Distribution is now releasing a promotion, and by purchasing using the link in the description below, not only you are helping out this channel, and you are getting an additional Honor Band 6 on top of these exclusive gifts. And thank you guys so much for watching this first impression of the Honor 50. It really means a lot to me. And this is Tech Bacons, and I'll see you guys on the next one.